it's a chicken crew. Fluffy little chicks going cheep, cheep too. Mama hen clucks, stay close, don't roam. They scratch in the dirt right by their home.
Over by the field, the gentle cows graze, mowing in the meadow on warm spring days. Black and white patches swishing their tails, they munch on grass by the wooden rails.
Soft woolly sheep say ba ba ba, jumping over hills both near and far. Tiny lambs bounce in the morning dew, playing tag in the pasture too.
In the sunny stable stand horses so tall, neighing and trotting by the big red wall.
Their manes blow gently in the breeze, they gallop happy under tall oak trees.
Splish splash fun in the muddy spot, piglets giggle when it's sunny and hot.
Oink oink, they squeal with muddy delight, rolling in puddles from left to right.
Down on the farm where the sun shines bright, animals laugh from morn till night. Cluck and moo and neigh along too, come sing the farmyard song with me and you.
Chicks go cheep and cows go moo.
Sheep say bye and horses too.
Pigs go oink, they're happy and free.
A farmyard family, just you and me. Down on the farm, what a joyful place, smiling friends in every space. Cluck and moo and neigh along